You know I love Apple's silicone case, and when they released the FineWoven alongside the iPhone 15 lineup, I told myself I was not going to purchase it because I didn't like it. However, I feel like it is my duty to test this case for you, so here I am at the Apple Store to purchase a FineWoven case, and today I'm going to give you guys a quick comparison between the FineWoven and the Apple silicone case. Okay, we're back in the studio, and first up, we're going to talk about the price. The FineWoven case comes in at $59, which is the same price as the leather case that Apple used to sell, just something to think about. And on the other hand, the silicone case is priced at $49. Also, if you're interested in the FineWoven or the silicone case, I've included my affiliate links for both of them down below in the description. Now, both cases have a similar design. They both have cutouts for the USB-C port and speakers, but something I noticed is that the cutouts for the silicone case are much more precise, individual cutouts, whereas the FineWoven has only big open cutouts for the speaker area. They both have raised edges around the display and camera module for added protection, and of course, they are MagSafe compatible. Both cases snap into place, fitting snugly without adding bulk, which is something I love. So let me quickly show you how it looks on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the clay silicone case on the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. And this is the taupe FineWoven case on the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. So they're both thin and lightweight. Also, the buttons respond really well on both cases. I feel like Apple always does a great job with this, so no complaints on this area. The only thing that I noticed is that the edges of the FineWoven seem to be a little bit rounder. It actually doesn't look rounder when you look at it comparing like this, but it feels more cushiony, maybe due to the material. Speaking of material, here's where the main differences kicks in. The FineWoven is made from durable micro twill with a soft sweat-like feel, and it's made from recycled material. On the other hand, the silicone case has the outside made from silicone, of course, and there's a microfiber lining on the inside for additional protection. And this is something that I love about the silicone case, because this microfiber lining is what helps prevent scratches on the back of your iPhone. The case has a silky, soft touch finish for a great feel, and the grip is also really good. Now, I feel like Apple received so much hate about the FineWoven case that they included information about the wear on the item's description. It says the FineWoven material may show wear over time with normal use. Some scratches may diminish over time, and they suggest using the iPhone 15 Pro Max silicone case or clear case if concerned about wear. Now, on the silicone case's description, on the other hand, it says it's designed to look great and protect from scratches and drops. And I do agree with this because I have been using this on my iPhone 15 Pro Max since September of 2023, and it still looks pretty good. In terms of compatibility, the FineWoven case is only available for the iPhone 15 lineup, while the silicone case is available for all iPhone models. And unfortunately, I cannot tell you how durable the FineWoven case is yet, but there's one thing that I know for sure. Both of these cases are not impact-proof cases. They will protect your iPhone from everyday bumps and scratches, but if you need more protection, these are not great options for you. I've linked a few of my suggestions down below in the description. And last but not least, colors. The FineWoven case is available in 5 different colors, while the silicone case is available in 12 different colors. So if you want to have more options to choose from, the silicone will have more to offer you. And before I conclude, here's another look at the taupe FineWoven case on the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. I actually do like how it looks. I like the color, but I'm still not sure about this material. But let me show you the buttons, the raised edges around the camera module, the cutouts here at the bottom. It's just very plasticky, which is not ideal in my opinion. And now let me quickly switch. And this is how the clay silicone case looks on the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. I love how simple and clean Apple's cases look, and they simply work. I totally recommend the silicone case. I also have a full review about it here on the channel, but I'm still not sure about the FineWoven. I don't know how it's gonna hold up. I'm still uncertain about this material. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to commit to using it on my iPhone for a month, and then I'll be back with my honest review about it. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so you don't miss any of my new content coming up. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.